Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling virtualization in your BIOS because emulators need direct CPU access. Once done, download the BlueStacks installer and run it. Make sure you have at least 4 GB of RAM and 10 to 20 GB of free disk space to avoid slow performance. While the installer downloads, close heavy apps so the setup can allocate resources. After the installer finishes, start BlueStacks and allow it to apply initial system updates so the Android environment boots cleanly. You now sign into your Google account inside BlueStacks. This connects Play Store to the emulator and lets you install apps. Once signed in, go to BlueStacks settings and allocate more CPU cores and 4+ GB RAM if your laptop can spare it, because more resources reduce lag. Next, open Google Play and accept updates for Google Play services. This step is critical because many apps depend on updated services. Make sure to reboot the emulator after major updates so everything initializes correctly. You're ready to install apps. Open Play Store, search, and install as you would on a phone, then create desktop shortcuts for quick access. Once apps are installed, map keyboard and mouse controls where needed and adjust display scaling so layouts fit a 16:9 screen. This improves usability. If the Play Store fails to load, clear the Play Store cache and data, sign out and sign back in, and if that doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall BlueStacks. This reset usually fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.